Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, I finally get to take this upgraded Ramblas out on the trails to see if the improvements that I've made to this bike are going to make a difference. I know that it's going to. If you didn't see that upgrades video, let me kind of give you a breakdown of what I've done. I went ahead and put the Fox 34 float forks on the front. I went ahead and took the stock rims that came with the Aventon and we made them tubeless. I put some better tires here on the front and the back, and then I switched out this dropper seat post with the Fox factory seat post as well. So let's go ahead, put it out on the trails. I'm going to see if I can do some jumps and some drops with this bike, and we're just going to see how it does. All right, guys, I am here at Creekside Trails. This is one of the trails that I like to go to just because of all the different things that are here. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yikes. I'm casing every jump. Oh, I cased every jump, but before I wouldn't have even attempted those jumps. Oh. Also, I'm trying something different for a change. I'm using a Insta360. I'm using the X4 version. Got some wind muffs on it. Normally I use my GoPro, but we're trying things different. Try to mix it up. Oh. Come back to those later. Look at this, it's cool. It's like a little TP thingy. One of my favorite features right here. Oh. Oh. Yeah, no worries.
Get out of the way, guys.
No. I'll wait on you. Oh, or well, thank you. Enjoy your ride.
Super.
Oh yeah. I have the tires at 30 psi. I did a ride the other day, and they were like at 22. I thought that was a little bit too low, so I figured I'd put them here at 30 and use that as the reference, and then I can just start to drop pounds in them as we figure out what's going to work for me. Now, this is the 4th of July, so there are a lot of people. I wouldn't say a lot. There's quite a few. Oh, we are not. Yeah, we are not ready for that. Oh, yep. We're here to do some jumps, but not those kind of jumps. Chipmunk. This has a lot of trails on it, and I don't always hit them all. So I'm hitting a couple that I haven't hit in a while, just to see how that works. I can tell you one thing: this dropper seat post is smooth, works like butter. Oh, I like it. With the original one, I mean, it's kind of sticky, and I know that with hopefully, when you switch out the lever, well, that seems to make it better. But this Fox factory seat post is really nice, and it helps that it matches. It matches the forks. not only do you want the bike to work well, it's got to look cool, guys. As you can see, these trails are a little bit wet. It hasn't rained for a couple days, but with all this greenery, well, it's still a little moist. Holy cow, where are we at? Oh.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, guys, how are you?
Yeah.
Mount my chin mount on my full face.
Yeah.
I'm giving it a shot.
How do you like the Insta?
This is
your first riding with it?
I mean, first time riding with it on my helmet.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you want to see some mediocre mountain bike riding,
Hey, if I wanted to see that,
that's
I'd
me,
watch
buddy.
myself,
That's
right?
me.
That's why I record myself.
I'm all about I'm 55 years old and trying not to die.
There you go.
Well, actually, I'm 56 now. My birthday was yesterday, so
Happy belated.
thanks, guys.
Yep. All right. Enjoy.
Be safe. Yeah.
Inside out.
Yeesh. That's about it. That was my. Now, when it comes to these shocks, I went ahead and I pumped them up to 120 psi. That's what it said for someone about my weight. Woo. Just feeling a little off today. It is so humid. I don't even know if I can explain to you. We'll see how foggy these winds get. The cool thing about these Indiana trails is that they're just, when all the foliage comes in, they're just beautiful. Oh, that was nice. You know, half the fun is just the exploring part. These front forks feel really good, though. I feel like all the things that I've made changes to has really been helpful in improving the performance of this bike, especially these tires. If you're wondering what tires I'm using, well, watch that upgrades video and you'll see everything that I did to this bike. You know, since Aventon, ooh, shit. I wasn't ready for that. Since Aventon says that these rims are not, you know, tubeless ready, and I went ahead and made them that way, well, I'm just wondering if they're going to hold up, unlike some of the jumps and drops, but so far we're doing good. But I've also got a backup. I ended up ordering a set of Hunt tubeless rims and crush cores, which are going to go on this bike after I get back into town. Oh, I remember this thing. All right. So here's what that looks like. You got to get up enough speed to make it through. I've done this before. This is fun. Oh, got to get my feet right. Climb, climb, climb. Oh, oh, oh. We made it. It wasn't pretty, but we made it. All right. Bomber. Oh, holy cow. We're up here at the jump line. Hey guys, how's it going?
How are you?
Freaking tired. I'm old.
Oh.
Out there rocking a hardtail. You got a hardtail?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is not my bike.
No, but seriously, if any of you guys want to take this thing out and see what it's like, the only difference is you're going to have to talk about it on film.
Okay. I'll get interviewed for it.
All right.
He really should. He's the one who's got the experience.
Yeah.
I'm about 2 weeks in.
Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, I'm like 1 year, but I'm like old, right? So that's like 4 days in for you, right?
I've been ready for a while.
Yeah.
Huh? You been riding a while?
Well, I raced motocross too. So
Yeah, I'm giving you this bike here in a few minutes. All right, let me go hit this. Let me go hit this thing and see what it's like. Should probably go off the ramp, but that scares me a little bit. So
it'll help you.
Yeah,
It's better.
it is better. It's not that steep. I mean, once you're down it, you got your speed, but you got an e-bike.
Yeah,
Like-
so you got
hang,
all the speed.
Just get going.
turbo.
Oof.
We'll see.
Here we
We'll see
go.
what happens. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm casing everything, but I gave it a shot. I cased everything. It was awesome.
Love that hardtail.
I cased every single one. I still suck, but I'm going to try the ramp this time. All right. This is scary, but we're going to give it a shot. Here we go. Oh, that's not bad. There we go. There we go. Oh, not good. Should have pedaled. And I basically just rolled that one. All right, I tell you what, guys. I got this young buck who has been riding a lot longer than me. I'm gonna let him do the jump line, and we'll see how. We'll see what he thinks of the Ramblers. Not as scary when you go down it.
Yeah, no.
Exactly.
You got those first two.
I know, and then I'm like, case the last one. Basically rode over. I'm like, I needed to pedal. All right, guys, I'm here with Ben Courtney. He just went ahead and did the jumps and did this big drop with this Aventon Ramblas. And what do you think about it?
I think it's awesome. I think it handles super well. It's got a really good geometry on the bike. It's super comfortable to ride. I was having a ton of fun on it. The motor on this thing is incredible. It's got a ton of torque. It gets you to where you need to go. And yeah, it was just an all-around great ride.
Thanks. All right, guys, take a look at the Ramblas. It started to rain. I've spent the last half hour hanging out with those teenagers that I pulled up with, and none of them had been, they've never ridden an e-bike. So I let them ride the Ramblas, let them hit the jumps, all that kind of stuff. The only one who had ridden e-bikes, his name was Ben. He's the one that I let do the jumps and stuff like that because he was riding Yetis and things like that. So he knew how an e-bike should perform. That's why I had him give us a quick review on the Ramblas. So yeah, so here it is, the jump line. I'm gonna hit it one more time and hopefully I don't hurt myself. Oh, oh, I think I needed to pedal a little bit in between that. But yeah, I was actually getting some air. Oh. I don't know about that. Maybe if I had some other people. My friends, those guys left. Those young gentlemen. They were good to hang out with. Matter of fact, they said, hey, if you're coming back up here, let us know. We'll ride with you. So that's not bad. But if you guys haven't figured it out, the Ramblas is definitely doing excellent with these modifications. We're going to work our way back because I feel like we have already done what we needed to do in this video. I'm just going to enjoy the trail on the way back to the car. That was fun. It is so hot and humid and it's raining on me right now. I don't even care. This was a good time. I love the upgrades that I've done to this bike. It just feels more secure. It feels more planted. Everything seems to be working very well on it and I couldn't be happier. So am I happy that I did these upgrades? Absolutely. Matter of fact, it'll probably get me to do the upgrades to my second Ramblas that I have to see, maybe I'll put some different parts on it to see how well it performs as well. But right now, super happy with the upgrades that I've done to this bike. So that's it. Oh, if you're interested in the Ramblas, go ahead, put a link in below. If you want to see all the upgrades that I did, well, I'm going to add that here at the end of the video. So there you go. That's it. That's my review on the upgraded Aventon Ramblas, looking forward to more adventures with it, and I want to thank you for watching. So until I see you again, enjoy the ride.